name is Mary Navarro. She is 47 years old. Her date of birth is November 5th. She is from Colombia and we live in the city of Cartagena. We have been married for 11 years and we have a beautiful 8-year old daughter. Her profession is administrator, but in this moment her work is homemaker. Her hobbies include going to the beach and the movies. She really enjoys music, especially the vallenato genre, as well as Korean series. She is an excellent cook. She makes a delicious pasta with chicken and cream sauce. She is very intelligent. She is very loving. She is respectful and generous woman. Thank to God. Thank you for your time. God bless you.